Hello everyone, I'm Sagar and I'm currently pursuing MBA in marketing and finance. I am investment banking intern in inSAKE solution. Today my video presentation topic is impact of blockchain technology on equity research. Blockchain technology has the potential to significantly impact equity research by enhancing transparency, efficiency and security in the process. Here's some important impact. First one is transparency, and second one is the efficiency, and third one is security, and next one is smart contracts, and last one is data integrity. So overall, blockchain technology has the potential to equity research by enhancing transparency, efficiency, security, and accessibility. It can be a streamlined process, improve data integrity, and enable new investment opportunities, benefiting both analytical and investor in the financial market. Thank you.